Whānau, if I could please invite Auntie Lynn to come back to the podium, where she is going to present our People's Choice Award for Jeff Workman.
It's a real honour for me that Mary, who was unable to be here, and I just recognise any of the workmen whānau that are here tonight. Mary had asked me if she was unable to be here whether I'd present this award, the People's Choice Award, the Jeff Workman Award. So I found it it's a real privilege to do so. I got to know Jeff in 2007 when we first were elected to Masterton District Council, and he became a really good mate. He and I got, just thought a lot about the same things, and I know this initiative that we're all here tonight because of his passion that he wanted these awards, the Maori Sports Awards, to be here. So it's due to his initiative that we are all here celebrating the wonderful success of all our sports people. So to announce the winner is Glenn Karaitiana.
I'd like to thank those who nominated me for this award and the judges who picked me. I'd also like to thank Whai Ora, especially Cuts and Kelly, for putting up with my crazy mum for the last couple of weeks, ringing and stalking to get me here. Is that true? Lastly, I'd like to thank my family for always supporting me in everything I do, including sports, especially my mum, who always has my back. And hopefully I'll see you all next year.
Ara marunga ki ngā maunga raki ngā maunga tapu o Wairarapa. Awe, awe,